Hello, this video is going to be talking about how to connect YouTube API to ReTool, specifically YouTube reporting API. There's not many videos on this currently, so I just wanted to create one to show you in a more clear way. So first, just search up Google Cloud Console and click on this, and you're going to want to create a new project firstly. So go into the menu, click I am an admin, and click Manage Resources and create project, and then just name your project. I'm just going to call it testing retool and create it. So it's going to load on this side, and then once it loads, we're going to select the project. So we've selected it, and then you're going to go to APIs and services, enabled APIs and services, and click this button here, enable APIs and services. Search for YouTube reporting API and click it and click enable. Then this screen should pop up and you should see this credentials tab. You're going to want to click the credentials tab and create credentials. And then we want to do OAuth client ID. So firstly, if you haven't already configured the consent screen, this is just to ask people for consent. Configure this. So you're just going to have to click external, and then it'll go through a lot of like information and contact information. So I'll do that right now. So I've clicked external, I've typed in some information, and then we will continue. Screen, just don't do anything, and then I didn't add any test users. And we'll pull up this summary, and then you can go back to credentials. So now we are back in the credentials tab, and we will create credentials. Again, click OAuth client ID, and now you should be able to choose an application type, and we want to choose web application. And I'm just going to call this ReTool and YouTube. And we will need a redirect URL that I will put, or URI, sorry, that I will put in the description so that you can copy it over as well. Just paste it here and create. This will create the client ID and client secret. Then head on over to the OAuth consent screen and click Publish App, because this will allow our app to be recognized by ReTool. Even though it's not ready for production, just click Publish. And so now we can head on over to ReTool. After you've signed into ReTool or created an account, click the Resources tab at this top part and click Create New Resource. Then we're going to click REST API, and we're going to call our API, since we're trying to do YouTube reporting API, just that. And here we're going to need to paste some more URLs that I will include in the description box. So first is the base URL. Then we will need to choose an authentication option, which will be OAuth 2.0. And here it's going to tell us we need an access token. So just copy this into the values for header and then just type in authorization. And then I will put in all these URLs. And to get the client ID and secret, just go back to your project's credentials and then click it and copy from the right side here. So I've put in the authorization URL, access token URL, client ID and secret, and the scopes. And now you will just click connect with OAuth. Go ahead, click authenticate and choose which email you want or your Google Cloud project was created with. See this screen and you just want to click continue. After that finishes loading, you should be brought to your API page, and then it will show that you have connected. And that's it. Thank you.